Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo. It's the V40 R design T2 petrol, quite rare. It's just literally arrived. It's going to have a bit of work done to it. I'm just getting the cars up for sale for the bank holiday. It's got privacy glass to the rear, lovely R design body styling kit, twin exhausts, R design lower rear diffuser. Yeah, general condition. This is before we've actually valeted and polished it yet. Got the rear parcel shelf. It's really nice condition. A lovely R design half leather white stitch piping Alcantara. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Done 109, 636 miles. It's got heated seats, cruise control, starts up and sounds beautiful. DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.